The schematics show we need to reroute this harness bundle.
Let me cross-reference that against the current revision.
Make sure the insulation on the T9 harness bundle is fully seated.
Roger that. All readings are within tolerance according to the tablet.
In the F-35 assembly line, meticulous attention to detail is paramount. Technicians carefully route the wiring and check.
The reading on the borescope confirms the harness is seated correctly at station 480.
But the schematic shows a revision for that connection point.
The tensile strength on harness 4B looks good according to the specs.
Confirmed, the routing is secure and within tolerance.
All right, signing off on this section then.
Alignment looks good on the laser guide.
Schematics match. Proceed with securing.
Cable secure.
Running diagnostics on Avionics bus 1. Green indicators confirmed.
Roger that. Torque set.
Torque set to specification.
Confirmed. Logging sequence complete.
All connections look seated correctly on the PDU. Matches the schematic then.
Matches the schematic. Good to proceed.
We need to verify the torque settings on this harness connection.
Confirmed. The diagnostic shows green across the board. Check the torque settings on this actuator before we seal the panel.
Confirmed, Senior Tech.
Wiring harness looks secure.
The alignment here looks good, within tolerance.
Copy that. I'm checking the upper starboard fuselage now.
Check the routing on station 4.
Torquing the final bolt now. Tolerance is good.
Check the alignment on section 7. The tolerances are tight.
The scale of the operation is immense. Here at the final assembly and checkout line, the combination
The F-35 production line represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, a symphony of human and machine precision.
This facility represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, where precision and scale converge to build the future of defense.
Ensure the alignment on the port stabilizer is within the micron tolerance.
Confirmed. The laser scan looks good.
Looks like she's finally ready.
Yeah, flawless build. Time to clock out.